Have you ever heard of fish falling from the sky? In Honduras, there's a bizarre phenomenon called Lluvia de Peces. It literally translates to rain of fish. Imagine walking outside and finding fish everywhere. This strange event happens during heavy rainstorms. Locals believe it's a miracle or a sign from above. Scientists think waterspouts might be the cause. They suck up fish from the ocean and drop them miles away. It's a wild sight that leaves everyone in awe. If you ever visit Honduras, keep an eye on the sky.